over the last couple of months, I've had a lot more time to think about work, about money, about skills, and honestly, my future and life in general. And one thing I keep realizing is the people who win in the long term, they aren't just the hardest workers. They're the people who built skills to make themselves valuable. And I think that that's something a lot of people in their 20s, they just don't realize right now. Growing up, most of us were taught work hard, stay loyal, do the right thing, and eventually things will work out. But real life, it doesn't work out that way. You can work hard and still get replaced. You can work hard and struggle financially. And you can work hard and still feel stuck. And honestly, realizing those things, it really changed my mind a lot because effort done doesn't actually create value. When I worked in banking, I started noticing something. The people who created the most opportunities for themselves, they usually weren't the busiest people. They were just the people who had the valuable skills. It's the people who could communicate well, build relationships, solve problems, handle conversations confidently, and just actually help people. And those skills alone translated into income. So a job can disappear, but your skills, they stay with you. And that's a massive difference. So right now, during this period of my life that I'm currently in, I've been thinking about things differently. I'm not just focused on trying to get another paycheck. I'm focusing on building what can help me in the long term. I've been trying to build skills that actually matter. Things like communication, sales, financial knowledge, content creation, networking, and discipline. Things that nobody can really take away from me once I develop them. Because I don't just want security anymore, I want leverage. And honestly, I think a lot of people, they just feel lost right now, especially people in their 20s. Because we grew up hearing go to school, get a job, get a stable job, and everything's gonna fall in place after that. But you know what? The world has been changing. Now you have to be able to adapt more than ever. Skills matter. Your ability to learn matters. And you can't just rely on one thing anymore. And for me personally, this whole situation of me losing my job has forced me to reflect through everything about who I want to become, what kind of life that I actually want, and what I need to continue moving forward. And honestly, I think this mindset shift was the thing that I needed to have happen to me. So, to be honest with you guys, I don't have everything figured out. I'm human just like you. But the one thing I do know is becoming more valuable is never a bad investment. And honestly, that's what the next chapter of my life is about. So, if you related to this video at all, go ahead, give it a like, subscribe, and I'm documenting my journey in real time while trying to build myself up mentally, financially, physically, all of it. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.